Hi guys! Good afternoon! Welcome back to our little channel. So, it is Sunday and may panibago tayong vlog kasi si ate nyo ay nabiktima na naman ng Facebook Marketplace. So, since nag-start yung quarantine, guys, I always check Facebook Marketplace. And last night, may nakita na naman akong something. So, I have been looking for a full-length mirror, guys, para sa beauty room ko. And then, every time na I want to buy something, before I go to the shops or, you know, do the online shopping, I check Facebook Marketplace first. Kasi nga, diba, sa Facebook Marketplace, you can find a lot of goods there for a very affordable price. Kasi nga, diba, people are trying to sell stuff na hindi na nila ginagamit or they're making space for their new stuff. So that's why they're selling it really cheap. Kaya, last night, so, nag-scroll na naman ako ng Facebook Marketplace ko. And then, I found this mirror. And, it's white frame na mirror. Tsaka full length talaga siya. And also, guys, mind you, it's only for $25. That's why I said, that's it. That's what I'm gonna buy. Kasi at first, yung nakita ko na isa na yung parang wood yung frame niya, and it's actually very nice and it's wider. The lady was selling it for $100, and seriously guys, I don't really want to pay $100 if I can pay $25 for something that the same naman yung purpose. Kaya yun yung gagawin natin ngayon. Pipick upin natin. So I messaged the lady if it's okay to pick up today, and she said it's okay. So we are going now there, guys. It's, you know, I think it's currently 2 o'clock in the afternoon now. And it's approximately 30 minutes drive there. So, aalis na kami ngayon. Si Mike at saka si Paris, they're ready now. And, yes, so, ito pala yung outfit ko for today, guys. So, I'm gonna show it to you and I hope na hindi nyo maisip na extra naman to siya. Kasi, guys, diba, we are currently in quarantine. And, nasa bahay lang tayo all the time. And then, minsan, pag work days, normally, pagising ko, straight na ako sa computer until gabi. So, during the weekend, yun lang yung time na, I know, I do something for myself. And, yes, so that's why now I got my makeup on. And also, guys, I've got my nice top on. Extra talaga sa atin nyo, guys. Mag-pick up lang ng mirror. Ito na talaga ang kanyang, outfit. But yeah, have a look at this, guys. Oh, super cute, right? So, pwede mo lang itay dito na bow. And then, I paired it with the high-waisted jeans and then just the flat shoes. So, ayan, guys. And now, we gotta go. Come with us, guys. I'll see you again soon. What happened to your shoes? Put it on. Ito yung pa-outfit ni Paris today, guys. Oh. Wow, cute baby. Babe, Mama will put the shoes on. What's this? H. Good girl. What's that? Push, push.
Push.
Robot.
Right.
That's right.
Push.
Mama was in the plastic bag yesterday.
So, ayan yung pa-outfit ni Madam Paris today. Careful. Ayan. And nakauna yung sasakyan. Daddy, show your outfit. Ito yung outfit ni Mike today. Kasi, I know, it's not very warm, but it's not too cold as well. That's why. Sexy ni Daddy, guys. Wait, wait. Guys, dito ko ngayon sa sasakyan and I just stopped outside 7-Eleven kasi nga I asked the lady if I can pay bank transfer, pero sabi niya she preferred cash, so I need to get cash, $25 cash. And while I'm here, gusto din ni Mike na magpabili ng kape, and I think I'm gonna get something to eat as well because guys, it is literally 3 o'clock now and I haven't had anything since this morning apart from coffee, so I have to get something to eat. Hello, Daddy.
Hello, Daddy.
And guys, see, Paris is now asleep because that's why pinili ko talaga na mag-pick up guys at 3 o'clock kasi alam ko that it's Paris' nap time. So pag nasa sasakyan, matutulog yan siya. Kaya I'm just gonna go in now and yeah, I'm gonna get something to eat. So nakabalik na ako mga peeps. And ito lang yung binili ko for myself. Ito na yung breakfast tsaka lunch ko. It's beef, bacon, and cheese pie. Ayan. And I also got tomato sauce. And I bought this one for Paris as well. It's banana bread when she wakes. And a latte for Mike. So see guys, nandito na siya. Nice. So nilagay lang niya dito sa labas guys. Kasi nga diba quarantine edition is. Kaya, ayan. Para hindi kami magkaharap pa. Then I just left the money for her. Let's go put it in the car and hopefully ma-fit siya. So guys, pinar ko lang yung sasakyan sa harap ng bahay. Tapos nagpunta kami kaagad dito sa park. Kasi ayan gusto kong maglaro ni Paris. Kaya dito muna kami konti. Where's Daddy? Daddy's gone. Where's Daddy? Where did Daddy go? Oh no! Go, Daddy. Here, be.
Oh, there.
Go, Daddy.
And this.
Where?
And there.
Where?
And there.
Daddy, hide.
Oh.
Daddy running.
Daddy, fight.
Daddy will find you. Saan sa ng buhok nak? We'll find Daddy. Where is Daddy? Oh no. Look on that side. Maybe Daddy's there. Where are you, Daddy? Whoa! You found Daddy. Mercy.
Hop on, mommy.
Mama, help? Are you okay? Well done. Woohoo! Hold on to Daddy. Uy. Hold on to Daddy. Hold on. Let me find Paris. Where did she go? There she is! So, kinukuha na ni Daddy yung mga mirrors, guys. Bumili din para si Mike ng para sa kanya. Para sa gym niya. Ayan. Pumunta kami ng Bunnings. Where's mine?
Oh, this one had to come out first, wasn't it?
You said you'll bring
I
both.
was going to bring both up, but this was in there first.
Ayan. So, tingnan nyo you guys. Ang ginawa ni Mike. So, yung garahe, nilagyan niya nung binili niya na ito, treadmill. Ayan. Tapos yung bike niya, yung punching niya, ganyan. And there's some more stuff here. Itong rope niya. And then, ito yung binili niya na mirror from Bunnings kasi para daw pag nag-exercise siya, makikita daw niya yung katawan niya. Chok. And then yung sa akin. Kawawa naman ang ating sasakyan. Nasa labas. So, ayan. Ang ganda ng mirror, guys. I'm very happy with it. Can you help me put that inside the room? So, ayan. Thanks, Dad. So, andito na siya. Yeah, I'm so happy that I got this one, guys. Kasi, I think it's just perfect size for the room. I'm sorry, maraming galat dito guys kasi dito naglaro si Paris kanina. And, tingnan nyo. Ayan, kasi hindi ako makadecide kung anong susuotin ko. Kaya, so, this is it. Pansit. So, I think perfect lang talaga yung size niya. I will try to move these two shelvings, guys, dito. Para I have space for the mirror there next to the plant. Kasi nga, di ba sabi ko, pag nag-try on haul ako, gusto kong ganito. Ayan. Ayan, para kitang-kita talaga lahat. Yung full talaga. Ayan. So, what I love about this, guys, is that meron siyang stand dyan. Kaya, kahit saan mo siya ilagay, pwede. But yeah, I think that's it. I will organize it later, but that's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed, and please give us a thumbs up if you liked it, and also hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And I will see you on the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. Bye!